Good morning, children. This is Vikram Rajput, your BST teacher. Continuing with the topic of business environment. So, in the last video, you have seen the topic, you have seen the video of business environment, its characteristics, its features. Now, we'll continue with the importance of business environment. So, the importance of business environment consists of these 6 points. We can explain the importance, we can understand the importance with the help of these 6 points. The first one being, it enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Now, opportunity, we need to understand what exactly is the meaning of opportunities. Now, opportunities refers to positive external changes that help a firm to improve its performance. Now, early identification of these opportunities helps an enterprise to be the first to exploit them instead of losing them to the competitors. We can take one example of Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Now, they are the first one, to identify the opportunity in the Indian market for the hatchback car segment. So, they identified according to the population and keeping in view the large population of middle class people in India. So they get the first mover advantage. The next one is environmental awareness can help managers to identify various threats on time and serve as an early warning signal. So this is the knowledge of the business environment helps the manager to identify various types of threats, that too within time, which serve as an early warning signal also. So threat refers to the changes in external environment that may affect the performance of the business. Now, environment awareness can help manager to identify various threats on time and serve as a warning signal. We can take one example here of mobile phone industry. Earlier Nokia was the market leader. Now they don't identify the environmental changes. After some times the multimedia phone has been replaced by this smartphones. So smartphone market is well understood in time by the Samsung company. So they took advantage of this, and Nokia company don't understand the warning signal. So they lose their market cap in the mobile industry, and Samsung took charge and become in a driver's seat, right? So this helps in identifying and early warning signals, identifying threats and early warning signals. The next one is it helps in tapping useful resources. So how it helps in tapping useful resources? Environment is a source of various resources for running a business. Now various resources like man, machine, labor, finance, etc. Right? So from its environment, including finances, government and suppliers. So these are all required to run a business. Now it only makes sense that the enterprise designs the policies that allow it to get the resources that it needs, so that it can convert those resources into outputs that the environment desires. Fine. So this can be done better by understanding what the environment has to offer. Okay, so by understanding the business environment, it helps the company in tapping useful resources. Fine. Next one is it helps in coping with rapid changes. So what exactly is rapid changes, coping with rapid changes? Now today's the business environment is getting increasingly dynamic. Now where changes are very fast. Now in order to effectively cope with the changes, managers must understand the environment and develop suitable courses of action. Now nowadays the market conditions are changing at a very fast pace. Turbulent market conditions, less brand loyalty, division and subdivision of markets, more demanding customers, rapid changes in technology and intense global competition. These are just a few of the images used to describe today's business environment, which shows rapid changes. Fine. So due to this increasing dynamism in the business environment, it is very necessary that the manager must understand the environment and develop suitable courses of action. Fine. Next one, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. So environment provides inputs for effective planning and decision making. So to make a plan and to take decision, it is very necessary that certain inputs are there on the basis of which planning can be done and decision can be made accordingly. So business enterprise can formulate policies on the basis of the information they collected by studying the environment. Okay. Next one is it helps in improving performance. The last point, the future of any organization largely relates to its ability to make changes according to changes in business environment. Thus environmental analysis helps them to improve their performance. You know that survival of fittest apply in business also. Everywhere it applies. Okay. So when the going gets tough, the tougher gets going is what the quotation. So by understanding the environment, by understanding the business environment, the business can improve its performance by making a proper analysis, okay, on the basis of which they can take important decisions, right? I hope you all have understood all these points of importance. Thank you. Jai Hind.